So I have the second generation's AirPods Max, and I'll be showing you how to hard reset these headphones. Now, if you encounter some connectivity problems with the headphones, or they're not working, or something is not working properly, you can actually go ahead and reset them and then repair them with your phone. So to hard reset these headphones, just go to the right side ear cup, and then you want to locate the crown and this button. So these are the only two buttons on the headphones. So you want to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously until this light, or rather this light at the bottom here, blinks in amber or in orange twice. Once you do that, then you can be sure they are now hard reset. So this, keep in mind that this will wipe away all the connections on the headphones. So let's go ahead and press. So the crown plus this button. So press and hold together. Just keep holding. This will take more than 30 seconds for sure. Just keep holding and watch out for that light. Keep holding. There you go. You can see orange blinked thrice. Happens. Once it blinks thrice like that, then you can now let go, and you have now reset the AirPods Max. You can actually see my iPhone is asking to connect afresh. Okay, so that's basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.